What if the greatest obstacle standing between you and the life you dream about is not failure, bad luck, or a lack of talent, but the simple decision to remain comfortable? Every day, millions of people wake up with incredible dreams, powerful ideas, and endless potential, yet they choose the familiar instead of the possible. Comfort feels safe because it asks nothing from you. It allows you to repeat the same habits, think the same thoughts, and avoid the uncertainty that comes with growth. At first, that choice seems harmless. You tell yourself you will take action tomorrow, start next week, or wait until the perfect opportunity appears. But tomorrow quietly becomes next month, then next year, and eventually an entire lifetime slips away while your greatest ambitions remain untouched. Inspired by the timeless success principles associated with Dr. Joseph Murphy, this message invites you to see comfort from a completely different perspective. Comfort is not always a reward. Sometimes it is a silent prison with invisible walls. You rarely notice those walls because they are built from routines that feel normal, excuses that sound reasonable, and fears that seem logical. They whisper that you are not ready, that the risk is too great, or that staying where you are is good enough. The frightening truth is that comfort never announces the opportunities it steals from you. It quietly replaces courage with hesitation, dreams with distractions, and confidence with doubt. Every opportunity you avoid because of fear becomes a possibility someone else is brave enough to claim. Every challenge you refuse is a lesson you never learn. Every risk you ignore is a door that quietly closes without making a sound. Imagine reaching the end of your life and realizing that the greatest regrets were never the mistakes you made, but the chances you never took. That realization is far more painful than temporary failure, because failure teaches, strengthens, and prepares you for greater victories, while comfort simply keeps you standing still. Growth has never been created inside a place where everything feels easy. Every successful person has faced moments of uncertainty, fear, and discomfort before reaching extraordinary achievements. The difference is not that they were fearless, but that they refused to let comfort make decisions for them. They understood that every step into the unknown expanded their abilities, strengthened their character, and revealed opportunities they could never have discovered by staying where they felt safe. Your future is shaped by the choices you make today, not by the dreams you keep postponing. The life you desire is waiting beyond the boundaries of familiarity, and every moment you choose courage over comfort, you move closer to becoming the person you were created to be. The hidden price of comfort is not measured in money or time alone. It is measured in the life you never experience, the potential you never unlock, and the incredible person you never allow yourself to become. The most dangerous thing about comfort is that it disguises itself as security while quietly stealing your future one ordinary day at a time. It never demands that you give up your dreams all at once. Instead, it convinces you to delay them, little by little, until delay becomes your lifestyle. You begin believing that there will always be another opportunity, another season, another perfect moment to begin. Yet life never promises perfect timing. The people who create extraordinary lives are rarely the ones who waited until fear disappeared. They simply decided that the cost of remaining the same was greater than the discomfort of taking the first step. This is one of the powerful lessons reflected in the inspirational philosophy associated with Dr. Joseph Murphy, reminding us that the subconscious mind follows the beliefs we repeatedly accept. If you continue telling yourself that you are not ready, your mind will search for evidence to support that belief. If you choose to believe that growth is possible, your mind begins discovering opportunities where you once saw only obstacles. Your thoughts become the blueprint of your future, and your daily actions become the builders that bring those thoughts to life. Every successful habit begins with one uncomfortable decision repeated until it becomes natural. Confidence is not something that magically appears before action. It is created because of action. Strength is not discovered while avoiding challenges. It is revealed by facing them. Imagine a seed buried beneath the ground. It cannot become a towering tree by remaining exactly as it is. It must break through the darkness, push against resistance, and stretch toward the light. The struggle is not destroying the seed. It is transforming it. Your life follows the same principle. Every challenge you overcome expands your character, increases your wisdom, and prepares you for responsibilities you could not have handled before. This is why temporary discomfort should never be mistaken for permanent failure. The difficult seasons often become the foundation for your greatest victories. Many people spend years comparing themselves with others, wondering why someone else seems more successful, more confident, or more fulfilled. What they fail to see are the countless moments when those successful individuals chose discipline instead of convenience, persistence instead of excuses, and faith instead of fear. Success is rarely the result of one dramatic decision. More often, it is the accumulation of small, courageous choices made consistently over time. Every morning you choose to improve yourself. Every evening you refuse to quit. And every moment you reject limiting beliefs. You are building a future that looks completely different from your past. The person you hope to become is not waiting for perfect circumstances. That future version of yourself is waiting for your commitment. Stop asking whether the journey will be easy, because it will not always be. Instead, ask whether remaining where you are is worth sacrificing your dreams. When you answer that question honestly, you will realize that comfort has already cost you enough, and today is the perfect day to begin creating the life you truly deserve. The decision that changes your life will probably not be the loudest moment you ever experience. It will happen quietly, perhaps on an ordinary day, when you finally decide that your future deserves more than your excuses. In that moment, you stop asking life for permission and begin taking responsibility for the direction you are headed. That single decision becomes the starting point of a completely different story. The inspiring principles associated with Dr. Joseph Murphy remind us that lasting transformation begins within the mind before it becomes visible in the outside world. Every achievement is first imagined, believed, and accepted internally before it appears in reality. When you intentionally fill your mind with confidence, hope, determination, and possibility, your actions naturally begin reflecting those beliefs. You stop looking for reasons why something cannot be done and begin searching for ways to make it happen. This shift is powerful because your future is shaped more by your consistent mindset than by temporary circumstances. There will always be challenges, unexpected setbacks, and moments when progress feels painfully slow. Those moments are not signs that you should quit. They are opportunities to prove that your commitment is stronger than your fear. Every obstacle you overcome adds another layer of resilience to your character. Every failure becomes valuable because it teaches lessons that success alone could never provide. Instead of asking why life is difficult, begin asking what each challenge is preparing you to become. That simple question transforms frustration into purpose and uncertainty into growth. Never underestimate the impact of small daily actions. Reading one chapter, learning one new skill, making one courageous decision, speaking one positive affirmation, or taking one meaningful step forward may seem insignificant today, but repeated consistently, these actions create extraordinary results over time. Great success is rarely built in a single dramatic moment. It is built through hundreds of ordinary days when you choose progress instead of procrastination, discipline instead of distraction, and faith instead of fear. Remember that no one else can live your life for you. No one else can unlock your potential, chase your dreams, or fulfill the purpose that has been placed within you. That responsibility belongs entirely to you. And while that may seem overwhelming at first, it is also incredibly empowering because it means your future is not controlled by your past. It is shaped by the decisions you make from this moment forward. Refuse to let comfort write the next chapter of your story. Refuse to let fear convince you that you are too late, too inexperienced, or too ordinary to succeed. You possess far more strength, creativity, and potential than you have allowed yourself to believe. Today is your opportunity to step beyond the familiar, embrace the unknown, and begin building the life you have always imagined. Years from now, let your greatest emotion be gratitude for the courage you showed today, not regret for the chances you allowed to disappear. If this message has encouraged you to think differently, inspired you to take action, and strengthened your belief in your own potential, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future motivational content designed to help you grow, succeed, and become the very best version of yourself.